All right, guys. So now I'm going to show you a few little miscellaneous things that makes using the MyFitnessPal app just a lot easier, a lot faster. So the first thing is the swipe feature. So if you come in here, you go to your day. Let's say you didn't plug in your day ahead of time, which I highly recommend just plugging it in ahead of time. But let's say you ran out of time, whatever. The next morning, if you want to have the same breakfast that you had from yesterday, it'll tell you right here, and you could just swipe this to the right and it'll add it for you, okay? The other cool things you can do too are these three little dots here at the very bottom of a meal. I'm going to click that. So I have a few options here. Let's say this is a meal that I want to eat all the time. I want to save that as a meal, because then I can just say, hey, the meal name is like my lunch, whatever, or my favorite lunch, okay? Type that in. Everything's already saved for me. Boom. All right, meal is saved. And then let's say this is my lunch for the next day. Instead of having to plug it back in, I can say, I can go add food, and then I can go meals, and then there it is, my lunch. Click it, boom, it's in there, okay? So it just makes things a lot faster, okay? Another thing you can do too with these three dots is you can say, quick add, okay? So let's say you can't find your stuff in here, but you have all of your macros and calories that you needed for maybe a website or something. And then you could just put the macros in here, okay? Anytime you put the macros in there, it's going to add up to the calorie goal that you need, okay? So let's say it's 26 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of fat, okay? Boom, the calories updated itself. I hit the check mark, and I have that meal in there, okay? That just makes things a little bit faster sometimes. So I can also do copy from date, okay? So if I say, I can do copy to date or copy from date. So I typically just use a copy from date. The way that works is you had a meal that you had maybe a day or two ago, and you could just say what that is, okay? So let's say I want to eat the same dinner I had tonight or last night. I want to have that tonight, so I can just scroll down yesterday's dinner, click it, boom, it goes right in there, okay? So those are just some cool little features of the MyFitnessPal. It's going to make your life easier. It's going to make things a lot quicker when inputting foods in here.